G'day guys, in today's video I've got a really straightforward suggestion or solution for people with Wii U running custom firmware that are getting an error saying on some of their games that the hard drive or USB hard drive is not getting enough power. I've got an Australian/European version of the Wii U here, and Wii Party U was not loading for me. I had the US version. I'd go to load the game, it would start loading, we'd get to this screen, and then straight away from there a splash screen would come up and say, not enough power. Essentially from there it wouldn't actually function, it wouldn't load, it wouldn't get to this screen here. Turns out I had the American version of the game running on the European version of the console, even though it was region free. So from there I reacquired the European version of the game, and from there it's been able to load up fine, no complaints about power. So make sure if you're experiencing the hard drive not getting enough power on the Wii U, that you make sure you've got the correct region of game for your console. Simple, straightforward. See you later.